for a cool way to display all your kids' collectibles? Do it in style with a fun, modern-inspired DIY open display shelving unit. Today, we're going all things unicorn. Hi guys, I'm Rosa. I'm your DIY carpentry expert, and this is my daughter Melania.
Hey.
And what I love to do is teach parents and kids how to get together and make really awesome projects. First thing we need to do is cut our 1x8s to the following sizes. We have 7 cut at 12.5 inches, and we have 4 cut at 36 inches. So now that we have all our pieces cut, we want to kind of figure out exactly how we're going to lay out the boards. So I think it might be a good idea if we alternate how many pieces we put between each shelf.
Why are we stacking the boards?
Well, because it makes it easier for us to connect the supports to the top and bottom. So if they all went one under the next, we would have to do a different type of joinery. This way, if it's staggering, it's easy for us to screw.
That makes sense.
Yeah. We just want to measure to make sure we have equal sizing on each side. This is about 5 inches. Let's make sure from the other end. Oh, that was pretty good. Now that we have everything laid out, take your pencil and mark where each board is so you don't forget where it goes. Now it's time to glue and screw. Working layer by layer, we're gonna use 2 2-inch wood screws and wood glue to attach each board. So is gluing your favorite part?
Nope.
What is your favorite part?
Sleep.
You'll hold it in place and I'll screw it in. Or you can hold it in place, or I can.
Just screw it in.
Okay, good, because I couldn't even get it out.
Always wear eye gear.
We're using self-tapping screws, but if you're using regular wood screws, I would suggest pre-drilling first to avoid any splitting of your wood boards. Glue Master.
That sounds like a new power tool that like glues stuff for you.
The Glue Master 2000.
Screw.
Screw.
Screw. No, more than one screw. I need 4 screws now. Come on.
Got it, got it. Good, good. All right, we're done. Where are you going? We're done, we're done, we're done. Now that our shelving unit is all assembled, we're gonna use 220 grit sanding paper to smooth out any rough edges.
Now that we're done, it's time to set this aside and get to painting.
This is unicorn time. We're using bright blues and bright purples to really give it a whimsical feel. Melania, why don't you start by painting this side blue, and then I'll get started doing some really cool, funky designs. Quick safety tip, if you're gonna be painting, make sure your space is well ventilated or you're outdoors. So instead of having really hard stops and starts of the paint, I'm just kind of feathering it into each other.
Yeah.
This is a really great time to have fun with colors and personalize your shelving unit for your kids' space. Melania, this looks amazing. I think we did a really good job. So let's just set this to the side and go grab some lunch, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
So, now that our paint is dry, it's time to attach our legs.
What?
No, not like this.
Take a look at the...
No, like this.
Vanna White? But you can't see this part.
Yeah,
This.
Why did you choose them?
I chose them because this kind of cutout pattern is whimsical, unicorny, pizzazzy or whatever. I like it.
Okay. Now time to attach them.
Can you hold it in place for me?
Sure.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, nice and secure?
Yeah.
Yes, look at these. Look, I'm super proud of myself for picking out these legs. They're awesome sauce.
Good for you.
Yes! The unicorn dance? Is this it? How do you do this unicorn dance? It's As a last step, we're gonna attach wall-safe mounting brackets to keep the unit from falling forward. We wanna keep everyone safe. I love this unicorn-inspired display unit. I love that it shows off her personality and displays all her favorite collectibles in her room. And it was a simple build that we could do together.